Nice. We got the almighty Vitavon Outcast stretched on a Creighton chassis. I just put the Max 5 original one back in here, 800 kV. Let's see what she can do here. It's a beast of a truck, y'all. Oh no. Oh. Big jump up. Man. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Baby. Oh my God. That was bad, dude. That broke it. Damn. That didn't break it. That blew the battery out. Damn, not enough speed, not enough height, nothing to do that trick. Let me see what happened here, boys. I tweaked something. My body's tweaked. Chassis tweaked. Something's broke. Something ain't right. Dang, that was bad, dude. What is not right here? Let's just see what's... Why is the body tweaked like it was? Is that it? It didn't bend it. Dude, y'all, I'll tell you right now, this Vitavon chassis is one of the strongest sons of bitch and things I've ever owned in my life. Let me put this battery back in. Yeah, buddy. Nice. Oh. Might be. Oh. River out here. Plenty of spunk out here, but she ain't really that fast, I guess. She's like a plug. Not really though, she's a ripper. Yeah. She's slow, dude. Last one, y'all. Oh, didn't make it. Didn't make it. Ah, I ain't shut off. Alright, y'all, if you ain't doing something you love, you're doing something wrong. Peace out. I'm telling you, you have to drive your big self back up out here. Dude, that tail though, the Vitavon's tough, boys. I'm telling you, we're going to either put the 1100 kV back in here, which got more spunk. I think that's what I'm gonna do, the 1100 kV back in here, or gear this thing up quite a bit more. We just destroyed the body on that one, guys. Look at that. This body was the original body, and she's done for now, boys and girls. About unplugged there too. But you guys see it, man. The Outcast complete Vitavon build just took a licking, y'all. Took some serious knocks. Lit decals to pick up my merch or any of these things, guys. Battery trays, shirts, sweatshirts, sweatpants, you name it. He's got them over there supporting your boy Black Sheep. If you're not subscribed to the channel, guys, think about doing so, man. We do crazy shenanigans. Like I said, this wasn't real impressive today, but we just put it back together, so we're gonna have to adjust gears and all that good stuff, and we'll get her running accordingly, guys. But she's a ripper, and with that, we thank you guys, and peace out.